All right, what is going on, everybody? If you're like me and you're tired of, actually walking for Pokemon Go, then you are absolutely in the right place. Seriously, today I'm going to show you an insane hack, a spoofer that's working perfectly for both Android and iOS right now in May 2026. So, first things first, let's get this spoofer installed. You're going to want to head over to this website I found. It's called ogtok.com. It's super straightforward, and you can see it right there on the screen. Once you're on the site, you'll see a bunch of different scripts and tools available. What we're looking for specifically is the Pokemon Go Spoofer. You might have to scroll down a little bit or use the search bar in the script section, but it's definitely there, trust me. You can see me navigating through the site, checking out the various options. There are a lot of cool things on here, but our main focus today is getting that Pokemon Go Spoofer up and running. Alright, so once you find the Pokemon Go Spoofer, you'll see it has a cost in points. Don't worry, you don't have to pay real money for these points. You just need to complete a few simple offers. It's really easy to rack up enough points to unlock the script. You can see here, it says I need 50 points, and my balance is currently 0, so I need to earn some. Now, to earn points, you just head over to the Earn Points section. This is where you'll find a whole list of different tasks, usually things like downloading free apps, playing games for a few minutes, or completing quick surveys. You just pick the ones that look easiest or most interesting to you, complete them, and points get added to your balance. It's genuinely that simple. Once you've earned enough points, you can go back and unlock that script. It's quick, it's painless, and it gets you exactly what you need. Okay, so after completing the offers and getting your points, you'll be able to unlock the Pokemon Go Spoofer script. You'll see that satisfying checkmark, confirming it's all good to go. Now, with the spoofer unlocked, it's time to dive into the game itself. Let's launch Pokemon Go and see this magic in action. The game loads up, and you're instantly going to notice some awesome new features. Check this out. We're in the game, and right away you can see a joystick on the screen. This is your ticket to moving around freely without actually having to walk anywhere. No more freezing in the cold or getting soaked in the rain just to catch a rare Pokemon. You can literally sit on your couch and explore the entire world. You can move your character, spin Pokéstops, and catch Pokemon from the comfort of your home. It's absolutely game-changing. It's incredibly powerful and gives you so much control. But the real kicker, the thing that makes this spoofer truly amazing, is the map feature. You can open up the map, zoom in, and literally pick anywhere in the world to teleport to. Want to go to a specific gym that's miles away? No problem, just tap on it. You can see me zooming around, looking at different locations. Once you select a spot, you'll get options like teleport or auto walk. Just hit teleport and boom, you're instantly there. It's that easy. This spoofer is seriously going to change how you play Pokemon Go forever. You're going to catch so many more Pokemon and have a blast doing it.